Of course it's raining, and we gotta pick up this big old X7 on this uneven road. We got a big FedEx truck coming right now, or UPS. So we are using a jack on a rain-wet road. So hopefully nothing bad happens. Come on, Jack. Don't fail on me now, Jack. I just need to pick it up just enough. Oh, my fault. Just enough to get this wheel off. There we go. Oh my goodness, my gray jack is gonna get all dirty, man. I can't see. Let's go ahead and put all this stuff back here. Let's get the spare tire out. Come on. Will this fit, or I have to pick it up? Perfect. This beautiful street, man. It's like a nice house. I'm still here in like Highland Park. I'll move out the way for this dude. I always give people a nod. Here we go. I love him in. Jack, we made it another day, Jack. Go ahead and drop this thing. Boom. Look at these houses, man. These houses are nice. Let me not sit down on my tool. Love that sound. All right, let's fix my boots. Yes, I wear boots with low socks, bro. Is that a crime? Let me get out the way for this dude. Big old UPS truck. Oh my goodness. Even the spare tire is flat. Let me get my air compressor. Let's put some air in the spare tire. This spare tire is flat. If you guys didn't know, spare tires have to be, not have to, I don't know, do they have to? I don't know. At Discount Tire, I was always told spare tires have to be to 60 PSI. So that's just what I'm doing, or what I always do. Guys, look, the spare tire is hidden behind all of this. Look, I'm gonna show you. Let's move this out the way. So this would be here first, right? This would be here with the spare tire. We gotta put this is what hides the spare tire. You gotta put it at an angle. There we go. So once you got it here, right? Now you gotta go here and latch it down. All these little thingies right here. Turn them and then they like hold it in. And now you just gotta grab this big old thing. And you kinda wanna like come in at a weird angle. But you wanna get this side in first. And then move this side in. Come on. And then if you want, I think it was like this. It was stored in there like that. Now you gotta grab these, put these back in here where they went. Just got one more. We got another car coming right here. Nice Land Rover. And then you gotta come on the other side like this. Boom. So to get to the spare tire and these X7s, you really gotta open this up, take that out, pull this out. We're in reverse order how I showed you. Move these tabs out the way and then pull it up. And then, yeah, there you go, your spare tire for your X7. I know when you come out here and they say you had an X7 and it had a flat tire, you're gonna open this up and you're not gonna see nothing, right? But it's under here. So don't worry, it's right there. So we'll go ahead and take this off. It does look like it's better aired up now. Let me show you a comparison, right? This is a aired up tire and then this is not an aired up tire. We'll go ahead and just put this tire back here, clear some space for it. I don't want to get dirty. Come on. Boom. There we go. Then we'll go ahead and get the keys first. Let me actually take this off. We'll go ahead and get the keys first. Give her the keys. I'm gonna just take my gloves off so I don't have some dirty hands when I touch the keys. Boom. And then we'll just get her a gun. Milwaukee gun. Obviously not a real gun. And then that should be all. Let me just get her signature.